In this video, we're going to explore linear regression. The data that has been entered in the first column is the gestation period for a human embryo. In the second column is the birth weight. There are a number of ways in which we can analyse this data. The first way is to find some summary statistics. To work out the summary statistics, we go to Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculations, and we use linear regression A plus BX. Selecting that. XList is our explanatory variable, which is the gestation time for the embryo. The YList is the response variable, which is the birth weight. We now want to tell the calculator where to put the results. By default, it has put it into column D. Column A, I have something. Column B, I have something. So D is fine, or I can have it in column C if I wish. I will leave it as D. Okay. Now, what this has told us is we have an equation y equals a plus bx. Y is the response variable. The response variable was birth. So birth weight equals A. A is negative 6.40, etc. Plus B. B is 0.2467 times X. X, our explanatory variable, was gestation time. As done earlier in this unit, it also tells us the value of R. That is how we can find the least squares regression equation. But there are other things we can do. Now we're going to look at this graphically. So I'm going to add in a page to put our graph in. Control Doc gives me add a new page. Go down to add data and statistics. We have said that the variable that we're having as our explanatory variable is gestation, so we select that. The variable we're having for our response variable is birth weight, so we have this. You'll see there are a whole series of other options it gives you to click. They're the calculations the calculator has done to work out other statistics that we do not need to worry about. We've now produced a scatter plot. On that scatter plot, though, what we want to do is show the least squares regression line. So I'm going to go back to the menu. On the menu, we're given the option to analyze. If we move down to option 6, regression, and across, you'll see number 2 says show linear A plus BX. This is the option we use. Selecting that, you'll see it is drawn in the regression line and has written the equation of the straight line. Y being birth weight, X being gestation.